Well, it's Saturday morning, about 8 o'clock, approximately 8 o'clock a.m. And we're waiting for Hurricane Irene. This little drizzle falling. We're going to take a walk down to the beach and see what the surf looks like. How you doing?
How you doing?
All right. What do you think?
Well, I think you're going to get a good before and after picture.
Yeah?
I don't think so.
I don't think so.
That part of the boardwalk that's coming down will be gone.
Yeah, that part down there,
Yeah.
that's probably going to be gone. Good luck, man.
All right, man. Are you going to stay around?
God bless you, yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
All right, you're going to catch everything you can, huh?
You leaving?
Huh?
You staying?
No, I'm leaving.
You leaving?
Uh-huh.
God bless you, man.
All right, man.
I'll be right here.
God bless you. Let me see. You got the four-wheel drive?
Huh?
Where's your car? In the back?
Yeah, I think I will put it up there on that hill.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
And it's a four-wheel drive?
Yeah. Yes, I think I'm going to do that now, as a matter of fact.
Yeah.
I'll see you later, man. God bless. All right. Okay, it's about 13:50 hours. About 10 minutes to 2 on Saturday afternoon, and it's been like a constant drizzle. Had a few little spurts where we got a little bit of heavy rain, but not much. The wind has picked up a little bit, but it's still pretty calm here in Atlantic City. Let's take a walk down to the beach and see what's going on down there. Well, one thing's for sure, all these cars are gone. And the wind has definitely picked up. Hello there. How you guys doing? I'm excited. I'm looking for some fun tonight.
Yeah, nothing's changed since this morning.
Yeah.
How you doing?
Yeah, good. You guys all right?
Yeah.
Yeah, sorry.
Derek, if you weren't sure you get in trouble, come on over.
All right, we're 6.
Roof blows off, I'm coming over.
All right, we'll be ready for
Okay,
you, all right? We got to look out for each other,
That's
all right? God bless you. See you a little later. All right.
What do you take a video every 2 hours?
Yeah, every couple hours come out.
Very cool.
Yeah.
But this is not going to be here.
I think this is...
that we will finally get rid of that. Night. That's one way for it to go.
Exactly.
Save the city some money.
Exactly. God bless. See you guys later. So we can see, even though it's low tide, the surf has really started to pick up, and I got big waves coming in. You usually don't see that uptown here unless a boat's going by. There are definitely no boats in the water around here.
Into one of these buses, we'll take you directly to a shelter where you can have food and something to drink and a cot to sleep in, and ride out this storm. And then as soon as we can return you to your homes, we will. But if you stay where you are now, you're placing yourself in even greater danger and your loved ones as well. So we're going to try to make one last ditch effort this afternoon to get them to leave, but once we get to a little bit later this afternoon, it's going to begin to get to be dangerous to operate buses in these high winds, and we're not going to be able to do anything to assist them until after the storm has passed. So other than that issue in Atlantic City, the rest of Atlantic County is well over 90% evacuated. In Monmouth County,
well, the rain has picked up considerably. We'll see how it goes. About 3:05, 15:05 hours, Saturday afternoon. Well, it's about 5-ish now. And the water is considerably higher picked up considerably. You can see that water coming right on up there. Comes the water. Well, moved it to higher ground. Let's see what happens. Well, on my way back, I see my camera lens is kind of drenched, but hey, we're making out okay so far. I got the car put away, and we're going to ride out this portion of the flooding, and then I think I'll go back over there after the high tide at 7 o'clock and bring the car back over to the house, try to protect it from any projectiles and stuff. Alright, we're trying to stay safe. Well, we might be in the middle of a hurricane, but at least the plants are getting water. It's about 6:20 p.m. I'm going to get my car because I don't think we're going to get flooded up here. It's coming in, it ain't no joke. That's for sure.